Okay, we just got to Lake Crescent. Gonna dive Devil's Punch Bowl today, which is actually the opposite side of the lake from where I went last time. Mine are probably the coolest, but
mine are custom designed Crocs, okay?
I don't know, these Keens are pretty impressive. They're leather.
Oh, that's great. Mine are foam.
This is the spot, Devil's Punch Bowl, just around the corner. But I'm wearing one of Austin's suits today. We're matching. Because my 7mm, it was way too warm last time. So we'll see how it goes with 3. I think it's gonna be just right.
This is my second time diving at Lake Crescent. You know, I came here as a kid. My family would go camping and stuff like that. I love hiking in the area. Mount Storm King is beautiful. If you're ever around, you should definitely check it out. But getting in the water is like, I don't know, I felt like a kid in a candy shop, especially being there with my camera, getting to practice being deep. That's maybe that doesn't make sense. Back in the Hood Canal, you can't see the surface from 20 to 30 feet down. On a very good day, I'm getting like 20-foot visibility. Whereas here at Lake Crescent, it's like 50-foot visibility. So that just means you get to see more stuff, more fish, you get to see your buddies, you get to see your camera better, and it makes for clearer footage. So that's why it's special to me, and that's why it was such a fun time. Here's a shot of Austin coming up the line. This was our first time line diving. Actually, Andrew, the guy in the brown suit, I met him in Alaska when we went on the trip with Austin, and he is a fantastic free diver. He was teaching us how to line dive. He also taught us some safety drills, some underwater recovery. If someone were to pass out, you know how to bring them back to the surface, that kind of stuff. Super fun to just run those drills with him. Being in Devil's Punch Bowl, there were a lot of people around. You know, it's a nice, beautiful, hot summer day. So we just moved off from the bridge a little bit so that people could still jump and have a good time and we wouldn't be in their way. Plus, there's this sweet drop off. So we went from having our bag of rocks that's anchoring us down on the bottom to dangling. Pretty cool to get down to the bottom of the basket and it's just an abyss below you. You cannot see the bottom.
Ever since some playground days, flying's on the swings, right on through them teenage years, Mississippi King. Not one, her son, could ever fill his shoe. Some try to knock me off my throne, but all they do is lose. Hands up for the kid. Never ever let you down. Got it going on. Watch me now. Just watch me. Keep going strong. Watch me now. Just watch me. Watch me now. Watch me now. Just watch me. Pulled up in the Tennessee, top down through the night. Drip so loud the whole town knows. Park is out of sight. Not one, not two. Can't count the rings. What I want is what I get. Whole world on the string. Hands up for the kid. Never ever let you down. Got it going on. Watch me now. Just watch me.
dive went really well. Saw lots of fish, and the water was super clear. So we're gonna take a snack break, and then we're gonna reassess. When we get back to the car, I think we'll probably figure out then if we want to go dive the kelp forest, right?
Although that sounds fantastic, we were all exhausted after the dive. So we just made our way home, and then I had a job come in, a boat scraping job. It was a recommendation from Ben. I got to meet Andy, fantastic boat mechanic. He taught me a lot about diving in marinas and about safety hazards and working with shore power. So that was a pretty sweet benefit of scraping his boat. There was a ton of growth under there, so it was a long job. It took quite a while. I think my total underwater time on that one was roughly 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours. So a good portion to be breathing on compressed air. I still need to figure that out. My compressor is, I think, just a little bit underpowered for what I'm expecting out of it. And so by the end of 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6 hours, my lungs are just beat. And I feel like it takes a good 24 hours for me to get back to full capacity. I don't know if that's normal. If you scuba professionally and that's true for you in your job, let me know. I would love to hear that. And if not, let me know too, because I do think I need to just modify my hookah system. After the boat cleaning, went a little deeper in the marina, did a couple dives for some red rocks, and had a fantastic dinner. Also, there was a crazy moon out that night. I think it was called a harvest moon. It was just gorgeous. Well, I think that's about everything for this video. Hopefully I'll see you around.